My name is Dennis Sadra. I'm primarily a commercial fisherman here in Cordova, Alaska. Having a good through-hull seal is super important because if they break or they come apart, it's a hole in your boat. You're going to take on water, and so you don't want to have any of this stuff leaking, and you don't want salt water to be getting inside the boat. So keeping the salt water and everything out is pretty important.
My name is Hunter Kranz, aka Catfish, and I'm a tender operator. And of course, the main thing, probably the most important job that 5200 does for us, is downstairs where all the bolts and stuff called through hull. Anything that goes through the boat, exposed to the ocean, below the water line, that's where 5200 is absolutely the best that there is.
When they say 5200 is forever, they mean it. This exhaust port here, all of them were original on the boat. They were sealed 13 years ago when the boat was built and haven't leaked a drop since. It's fantastic stuff. I put these through hulls in for my sand traps, sealed those up 10 years ago, have never had to replace it. 5200 is forever.
My name's Steve Estes, and we are on the Copper River Flats here in Alaska. The only reason I'm out here fishing is because 5200. I went to check the oil on my Volvo dual prop outdrive and stripped the threads, basically trying to get it out. Literally, I have to go fishing the next morning, and I didn't know what to do. I didn't have time to fix it correctly, you know, and I have to go. So I just grabbed some 5200 and put it around the base of the stick. You know, it has like an insert that goes into where the threads are. So I put 5200 around there and just pushed it down in there, and then put some around the top of the screw. And I did not think it was going to hold. I mean, because it creates heat and pressure inside there when you're running. And now that's been a month ago. I bet you it's the 5200 still on that thing back there, and I probably won't fix it till this winter.